Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have a Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal flip-through video. I just received this today from my niece, Kim Wittes, for those of you in the group, and it's Carla Bryce's book. She's got a spiral, large spiral. We've got a shower curtain clip on here to hold some dangles. Looks like she added her name on the thing. I'll have to add a dangle for her. Maybe some ribbon and a dangle. And then there was this, which kind of has the feel of a paper clip. And it's got some interesting beadwork and wire work. It's a little fairy charm. Really cute. Anyway, the cover is, it looks like the journal was pink and she's covered it with this green paper and this front flower. And when you open it up, we've got some pink and white lace on the inside. It looks and feels vintage. Got more of the green paper and a little ladybug on a leaf. Now that says SS. It kind of makes me wonder if Sharon Stull did that. So Sharon, if you're watching, let us know. Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal via Thistledew Creations group, which is my Facebook group. And I already stuffed a pair of earrings in there for Carla. Hopefully she wears them, but if not, I'm sure they'll fit someone you know. And you're welcome to pass them on or use them as dangles if you want to. And then we've got Panda Bear to Carla from Sharon. And I think it says somewhere in here that Sharon or Carla likes Panda Bear. So this is the sign in tag. So let's sign in. So Kim got it April 21st. And today is May 12th. So it's gone through Carla, Shauna, Maria, Sharon, Kim, and myself. So there's a little pocket here for some goodies and the sign in. I don't know if those are going to stay there or not. I'll just set them aside for now. It's a chunky monkey. And here we have a pocket page with a big tag. Welcome to my journal. Looking forward to sharing and seeing all your creations. I've placed a few interactive prompts in the journal and have left the remaining pages for you to decorate any way you desire. The sign-in card is just inside the front page. Don't forget to sign in. Most of all, be creative and have fun. Happy crafting, Carla Bryce. Got a wooden pansy up here, and then the back is blank. Tempted to decorate that. And then there's a picture of Carla with a C, and then tells you a little bit about her. She's 65, lives in Hamilton, married for 40 years, and has a cat, Missy. Enjoys older music, Broadway shows, true crime dramas, member of the Red Hat Society. My mom was a member. Favorite foods, popcorn, seafood, pistachios, and tea. And other hobbies is crocheting, paper crafting, and genealogy. And then Panda Bear and Teddy Bear collector. I thought I had seen something about that. And her birthday's the day after mine. She's a Gemini, May 25th. Enjoys indoor gardening, and her favorite colors are purple, green, and red. Flower of the month for May is Lily of the Valley. And she likes tea, I take it. Take a tag and share your favorite hot beverage. So we've got ginger mule cocktail, herbal tea is Carla's favorite. A light, refreshing tea, lovely taste of ginger, helps with tummy issues and relaxing. One of my daily favorites. Maria likes amaret oh my, almond, nothing Fancy. I make mine in the Keurig machine. No sugar, 2 creams, 1 splash of amaretto. Ooh. And then we have a blank one that's just waiting for me to do. Oh, we got more in here. So Shauna, coffee. 1 sugar, no cream, not stirred. And I like the way she did the coffee spills on it. And everyone seems to be going with the belly band idea. Hazelnut cream. Looks like it's the box. My go-to everyday coffee is hazelnut cream made with my Keurig. Kim Wittes. I'm not much of a tea drinker. Well, you're missing out, Kim. It's very relaxing to drink tea. I like tea in the afternoon or after dinner. Sharon, herbal peppermint, pure peppermint. And it looks like she uses the bags. And so there's more tags in there for everyone to do. Think about which one I'm going to do. I usually do chai. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Please leave a sticker or a doodle to help my garden grow. And so lots of things are filling in on that page. And then we've got playing cards. So decorate an ATC card, pick a card and decorate it any way you like. Leave it in the envelope on the next page. I will send you one in return in your journals. So there's a bunch of blank cards. All red on the back. And I like the envelope paper. And then this is where we're to put our cards. So we've got Create, Explore, Think Outside the Box by Sharon. And we've got Numbers with a Key Charm by Shauna. I like the feel of those. And Where's Missy by Maria. And Strawberries by Kim Wittes. She's a bit of a strawberry hound. And I love the coffee dyed envelope. And then we have a tea party sticker. And then Adventure. The world is a book and those who do not travel only see one page. And I agree with that. I mean, I'm a bit of a homebody, I have to admit. But I do feel enriched when I travel. Seeing different places is inspiring. This is a very lovely page. This must be Shauna's page. It says, my name is Shauna. I was born January 15th. I have one brother who's 3.5 years younger than I am. I'm married to an amazing man and have 2 wonderful sons. We share our home with 2 very old dogs. We live in West Kelowna, BC. I'm a legal assistant and I love my job. Pink is my favorite color. I am a huge introvert. I love going out for breakfast. I prefer silence to music. I prefer salty snacks to sweet. I hate being cold and I'm a good cook but can't bake. I do a lot of crafts. Quilting is one of my favorites. I'm a girly girl. Very nice, Shauna. Nice to get to know a little bit more about you. And it's nice to know we have a friend out in BC. We're trying to get friends all over Canada so we can do a cross-Canada junk journal tour. Let me know if that interests you. We'll take you for breakfast. Was it you that said you like to go for breakfast? Yeah, we'll take you for breakfast. And we've got a little, this was a clear belly band that goes off the page and makes a page tab with a little dangle. Nice. And then who do we have here? More Shauna. I love this page with the beige background with the writing and then the flowers being kind of white and green. Postage stamp page edger. And then of course a butterfly lady. Butterflies are not insects. They are self-propelled flowers. I love that. And I love these textures she's added to the page edges too. It gives it texture without being overly fluffy. Really pretty. It looks like it might have been the front of a greeting card. But really pretty. Gives you ideas for how simple something can be and still be really cool. This is Maria. So all about Maria. April 10th, Aries, Gen Xer. She likes romantic suspense books. Candy, looks like her dog. Favorite word is lovely. Favorite colors, black, yellow, and purple. Favorite animal, phoenix horse. What I'm afraid of or worried, never finding my true passion or purpose. What I'd bring on a deserted island. Survival kit, I wouldn't know the first thing to do, LOL. Watch some Survivor, figure it out. What makes me happy? Summer, thrifting, cruising with my kiddos. My most treasured possession, my kiddos, 2 boys, 2 girls. Wow, you must be busy. I only had 1 and that was enough. Got a altered bookmark here, altered paper clip. Sweet talk, and I'm just wondering if, I don't know who did this page. Help our girls stay cozy with a colorful blanket. But I had some of these sweet talk things and I sent them in Happy Mail, so I'm wondering if those came from me. Then we've got the washi tape bed for the quilt. I'll add to that. And then we've got some Mad Hatter stuff. I like the look of the dictionary page in the background. You really can put anything in front of that, and it doesn't even matter if the words are appropriate for the layout. And I really like this red rose. I guess that's still Alice in Wonderland theme. And then Off With Her Head. Love the glittery card. Covered with polka dot paper on the back, but it was a playing card. Mirror, mirror on the wall. So we're into Snow White here, I guess. That's a cool drawing. Again, I don't know for sure who did these pages. Y'all gotta sign them. Who's your favorite villain? I love how Carla loves Disney villains. Use any paper and create or post your favorite villains. It can be from any brand, but let's stick with movie villains. Once done, glue it to one of the spots on the wanted poster for your favorite to be the villain of the month. So who likes what? Scarlet, Overkill. I love that this movie was set in the 70s, Maria. Little Mermaid, my favorite villain is Ursula, Sharon. And Shrek, Dragon begins as a fearsome villain guarding Fiona's tower, but ultimately becomes a hero by helping save the day. She and Donkey fall in love and go on to have 6 hybrid babies called Dronkies. I didn't know that. I'll have to think about who my favorite villain is. Probably have to go right to Twilight and use Victoria, or one of the vampires, the bad vampires. And so this is Sharon. I love this washi tape Sharon. I had some of that too when it was out. Anne of Green Gables is her favorite book. Sound of Music. Billy Joel, and favorite food is steak. Now, Sharon, I saw this when Kim gave me the book, and I noticed that you're in Ottawa, so I'm wondering if you're going to be at the Glebe garage sale on May 23rd. We're coming down to Ottawa for it. Be cool if we could meet you and share a few moments, maybe grab a coffee or something and talk about what we found so far that day, or meet at 2 when the thing is supposed to be over. That'd be fun too. Anyway, Sharon's 61 years old, so she's a year older than me. Lives in Ottawa with her 26-year-old. I have a 26-year-old as well, who's still in college. Mine just graduated. We're going in June for his graduation ceremony. I'm a medical lab technologist and have worked for Canadian Blood Services for 39 years. 3 more years until I retire. Volunteer at a local food bank. I love taking art classes and trying new styles of art. I've been a photographer since I could hold a camera. That's cool. And then she talks about all the things she likes and loves. Orange is her favorite color. I remember that from her journal. This is kind of hard to read because it goes around and around and around, but that makes it interesting too. And that goes in a nice little pocket here with an orange and yellow butterfly. And then we've got a couple blank pages. This is what all the pages in this book looked like, notes and to do. My niece Kim says that they have these at the Dollar Tree, these books. So it just goes to show you that your book doesn't have to be anything fancy to do this. You can decorate the pages right on top of whatever they are. Doesn't matter what they are. Things that recently made me happy. And there's cards in here for you to write on. And Kim Wittes talked about watching her son discover the magic of spring. That's always good to see things through a young person's eyes when they see something for the first time and it excites them. Makes you go, oh yeah, hey, yeah, the world is pretty awesome. And then Kim's page is the same theme she's doing for everybody's, organized chaos. A little bit of a sketch. She's quite an artist, actually. Here's some better representation of her work. She's drawn herself in her 3 different personas: Outdoorsy Kim, Artsy Kim, and Mama Kim. And then there's some cards there that other people have sent, and then the rest of the book is still blank, so I can claim a couple pages. And then there's more lace on the back edge as well. So what have people sent along? I think these are things people have sent for Carla. Now this one I don't know because it's kind of blank, so I'm not sure who it's from or what it's for, but it's awfully pretty. And then this one says, for my friend. Really pretty blues. And I guess that's hi, Carla. Thank you for letting me create in your journal. Please keep in touch. I would love to do more projects with you. I made 2 interactive pages and a few creative ones. I added more lace to your journal. Made you 2 cards and included a fairy bookmark for you to enjoy. Maria. I like the cards, Maria. They're really pretty. So yeah, I think this one might have to ship open again. I don't know if it'll fit in a extra small box or not. I've got a couple of those, but these journals are all getting so chunky. The last one I had to open it like this and mail it like this. It wouldn't fit in this extra small box. So yeah, I'm gonna go through it and do some of my things and make some of those tags and artist playing cards and things like that. So we'll come back and do some more work in this in the next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, but most of all, thanks for watching and have a great day.